What's going on, guys? Nick here, bringing you a brand new cryptocurrency video. In this video, I want to give you guys an update here on the Bitcoin price because Bitcoin is once again approaching all-time high territory. Quick announcement I would like to make. Tomorrow, me and Ryan Hildreth are releasing a cryptocurrency course that will cost about $497. I will make a video that will go public at about 12:30 p.m. Eastern around new time, which is 9:30 a.m. Pacific, and that's when we are releasing our cryptocurrency course. So you will find a link to the course at the top of the description, and this course will teach you how to generate a six-figure income through cryptocurrency. The whole course combined has hours of work put into it, about 30 videos total within the course between me and Ryan. So I am launching that tomorrow. It's going to be huge. I do plan on it to do pretty well considering cryptocurrency is it's a brand new space, and a lot of people want to learn how to make money off of small amounts, and that course is going to teach you how to do that. So with that said, let's take a look at some charts. Right now, Bitcoin trading at $7,739, and this happened all so fast. We hit a all-time high of $7,900, and then we had our huge correction that we always see from Bitcoin. And the huge thing to see here, to signal the bottom, was this clear double bottom. If we get a horizontal line, you can see this is a textbook double bottom. We hit 5,658. The low of this candlestick was 5,500, and then we double bottom at 5,600 on this candlestick as well. So that's a clear double bottom. We saw a classic W pattern reversal right here. This usually signals bottom of downtrends, and we then form multiple bull flags. I could draw these for you guys as well. Trend line right here. This is a classic bull flag after running up so fast. We had our huge run up, not much consolidation, consolidated in this equilibrium pattern, then had another huge breakout here to the upside. And like I said, this W reversal pattern here was a clear signal that the bottom was in. RSI was oversold. If we go on to the 4-hour chart, you can see that Bitcoin's RSI, which is the purple line down here, has only been oversold a few times throughout history in its lifetime this year. It's gone up 700% this year, and it's only been oversold a handful amount of times. So that was a signal to get in. W pattern, equilibrium, then a huge breakout. Now keep in mind, we have not set a higher high. Bitcoin's current all-time high is $7,900, and right now we hit, what's our all-time high? Well, not our all-time high, but we hit 7,821. So that's about $80 less than the current all-time high. So be a little bit worried. There is a chance here that we can double top, and that will signal some more long-term consolidation. Not saying the bear market will happen in cryptocurrency as we go into the winter here, but there is a chance of it happening. Me personally, I don't think it will happen due to Bitcoin's nature and the fact that if we go on the one-day chart, you can see Bitcoin's RSI is not even close to being oversold right now. When we hit 7,900, yes, the RSI was oversold. It was in the 80s. Right now, we're only at a 69 RSI, which is the purple line down here, and we are on the verge of another bullish MACD cross. So I think things can get pretty scary here within the next few months as we close out 2017. There's a chance Bitcoin can easily rally up to $9,000. If we do break this all-time high, we get the bullish MACD cross, RSI starts heading up a little bit more. There's no reason for us not to, get around $9,000. And with that momentum, if we get some more news on top of that with the whole Bitcoin futures and that news coming out next month, I believe that's going to come into action. We will see Bitcoin trade, maybe in the 5-figure range. And that's definitely something to think about. We got this article coming out from CoinDesk today saying that basically they did tons of surveys on Bitcoin investors. I'm not sure exactly how many they got, but basically the survey asked which price participants would choose to sell their holdings. Perhaps unsurprisingly, the average of the amounts cited came out to a whopping $196,165 per Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's trading currently at $7,700. So let's just do the math because I'm curious. Let's see. So basically the survey, most investors said that $196,165, that was the average. Let's divide that by $7,726. That's 25 times your investment right now. So say you have $7,000 in Bitcoin, you can times that by 25. I'm not saying that's going to happen, okay? I'm not saying Bitcoin's going to $200,000, but the fact that it's pretty funny that most investors that got surveyed said that's the price where they would sell their Bitcoin is pretty funny, and that just adds to the reasons why I think Bitcoin will easily break into the 5 figures next year, 10,000 plus. My estimate, next year there's a chance Bitcoin could probably be $15,000, and I'm predicting by 2020 with the Bitcoin halving that Bitcoin will probably be in the $20,000 range due to the fact that the amount of Bitcoin's mined is going to cut in half. I believe it was the end of last year in December, right when I got into cryptocurrency, there was a halvening, meaning that the amount of Bitcoin rewarded for each block got cut in half. It was 12 down to 6, and now it's going to cut in half again in 2020, which is, it's still about 2 years away, but that's going to come sooner than you think. I know it is, because this year in cryptocurrency has gone extremely fast, and there's so many reasons to be bullish on Bitcoin right now. The fact that there's so much institutional money that has not entered into the cryptocurrency markets, and Bitcoin is only, the whole market cap of cryptocurrency is only $226 billion, and the average volume per day is about 10 billion. If you compare this to a traditional market, $226 billion is nothing. Gold's entire market cap is 7 trillion, okay? Tons of room to grow. I think cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, Bitcoin's going to remain the leader here on the coin market cap. I don't care what people say about Bitcoin Cash. It had its chance to take over Bitcoin. We saw that rally recently. It's going to keep trying, but I do think Bitcoin in the long run will be that cryptocurrency, that main cryptocurrency, to succeed. Big news today from Ripple. Ripple actually partnered up with American Express as a global payment option. So that surged about it was up to 28%. I believe it went to like 28 cents. It did have a little bit of a pullback right now due to not having much consolidation. But if you're holding Ripple, hopefully you took some profits at the top. Maybe even take some profits right now. I know it's only 24 cents. It was 40 cents a few months ago. Altcoins here, there's a few that are starting to pop. IOTA back in the top 10. What else we got? EOS is now trading at $1.80. I believe it was like 50 cents when China banned ICOs. So pretty crazy stuff. I also want to show you guys a historical snapshot of when I got into cryptocurrency. So real quick, let me go back again. Take a good look at all these prices and where the coins are. Okay, take a good look at them. Now let me go to the tools, historical snapshots. We're going to go back to 2016, December. Okay, I believe it was December 21st, the day I bought my first amount of Bitcoin. December 25th, 2016, that works. This is a historical snapshot of the market. As you can see, there's tons of coins, that weren't even, that are on here now, that don't even exist whatsoever due to the whole ICOs booming. And there's a ton of coins that have existed that are just, they've fallen down since. For example, Dogecoin was number 13. I believe it's like number 60 right now. So people compare, cryptocurrency and this whole boom recently to the whole tech bubble back in the 1990s. And, even if, cryptocurrency is a bubble, things are inflated, of course things correct, there's bear and bull markets, you need to pick the right coins to hold, okay? Because there are companies from back then that are still succeeding today, and you need to pick the right cryptocurrency, guys. Don't be holding coins that are useless projects and some of these altcoins. My top coins I think will last in the future: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, and, that's probably the only few coins here at the top 10 that I think are going to be solid, pure fundamental coins. Now, of course, you could say Dash and Monero are practically the same thing, but I choose Dash over Monero. Dash, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin are my just solid fundamental coins that I think are great to hold for the long term. So, that's really what I want to share with you guys. Bitcoin continuing its trend upward here. Charts looking really great. I'm just worried of the double top. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully we soar to new all-time highs. I think that is going to happen, like I said, due to the RSI and MACD and just overall the bullish news that's been coming out here recently. In other news, BitConnect, 1.95% interest rate tomorrow on the 17th. If you do a loan today, say you do a $10,000 loan today, you will earn $220 back tomorrow. Okay, that's a 2% interest rate. But basically, you get an extra 0.25 on top of this 1.95 if you do a $10,010 loan. So 2.20% interest rate tomorrow, you'd earn $220 back your first day on BitConnect. So take advantage of that if you've been looking to get into BitConnect. Pretty crazy interest rates here within the last week. Nothing else to say. Proving the haters wrong. Great time for me to have $87,000 invested into the platform. $512,000 earned. Already $12,000 more than when I made my video yesterday. So that's a quick update on what's going on here within the cryptocurrency space and some of my predictions, I guess you could say, where I think the Bitcoin price is going to be. So I have $105 here in my Bitcoin wallet. I'm going to be giving this away to one random person. If you guys want to enter my daily $100 Bitcoin giveaways, all you have to do is turn on post notifications, click the bell under the YouTube video next to the subscribe button. Click the bell, you get daily notifications. Step number 2, like the video. And step number 3, be subscribed to the YouTube channel. That's all you have to do. Then leave your Bitcoin address down below for a chance to win some free Bitcoin. So with that said, let's pick a random winner to win this $100 worth of Bitcoin. I do this every single day on the YouTube channel. Our random winner is GRM. Bitcoin 25K by end of 2018. I did say about 25K in 2020. So, hey man, it's possible. He actually made this comment yesterday. So that means Bitcoin has gone up about $1,000 since. So let's send you $100 worth of Bitcoin. Add to your long-term holdings if you do think that's going to be the price. Let's actually see if I could send priority. Yeah, I'll send priority. $98. I'll give him a quick little extra fee. Might as well clean out the wallet. So 0.013 Bitcoin sent to him for winning the giveaway. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like I said, new cryptocurrency course coming out tomorrow. Be prepared for that video coming out at 12:30 p.m. Eastern time. It's going to be huge, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one. Peace out.